Hi everybody and welcome back. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. My name is Lori and you're here because I got a box. And the box I got is the BoxyCharm, and I'm going to have to take my cute little snowman down because he was hanging out on him. So I just finished up the BoxyCharm Premium for December 2020. Now, this just came yesterday. Today is Tuesday the 15th, and I got this yesterday on the 14th. Now, there was a little bit of a debate between myself whether or not to film this one because it was my mom's birthday yesterday. So part of me wanted to do it in her memory, and then the other part of me did not want to do a video at all because it was a bit of a tough day. So we are here on the 15th unboxing this box. And let's see, this is not a month-to-month. This is a $53.86 box. So what it does is it takes the place of your BoxyCharm, the one that you get every month, your little base box. So you still get charged for your base box, but you're not going to get it. Okay, you're not going to get it, but you're going to get charged. And then you're going to get charged almost exactly the same price. And those two together come out to $53.86. The theme for BoxyCharm Luxe for December 2020 is Bubbles and Glitz. This is a very pretty card. Almost resembles what we would be doing if we headed into the new year, like said goodbye to 2020 and took off into 2021. So it's kind of like it's a preemptive strike. That's the way I kind of look at it. It's real pretty. Sometimes I look to see if there's something hidden in here, and there is. See the diamond? Just start looking at the card. There's always something kind of hidden inside there. All right. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Told you. And as for the variation of what I received, because it's Boxyluxe, there is no number. Now there's a variation of numbers and letters down here, but it's not going to help you out at all. So you know what? Just relax. Let me unbox this box. Tell me what you think of it, and then let me know down below what you got if you do subscribe to this one. Okay? Now, here's the first item by Iconic London. It is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Yes, I did say that right. It's the Iconic London. It is pretty, though. I will say that it looks like it, well, it doesn't look like it has these little lights like this, for the holidays. This right here resembles this palette right here by True Luscious, the Lucky Glow. See some similarities? Except for that marbled one, which is the 777s. Other than that, these things are very close. And although these ones right here being the blush, they are more of a blush than the one that is inside this palette. It's very similar. Very similar. So that's all I'm going to say. But anyhow, this is Iconic London, and it is a $55 palette, and it is a new launch. So, okay. There we go. This is Good Genes. This is the all-in-one lactic acid treatment by Sunday Riley. And there we have it. Thank you. $85. The next one is by Hip Dot. You had to know it was going to be another palette. Let's get rid of some of that stuff. Let's get rid of some more. Here we go. The green, which means this one is going to have a color story with greens in it. How much do we have here? $30. This is the C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess. Okay, so it's a goddess palette. So it tells us right there that it's gonna be green. An alluring, oh wait a minute, through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C-Note, a homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. So no, I do not remember any blues in here. I opened this stuff up and went through it. And I don't remember blues. Oh, pardon me, there were. I must have been looking at, another palette. Okay, there we go. That's flimsy. Got a big, nice mirror right here. And then we've got this. This is pretty. Check those out. This is it. Very pretty. That one right there was, we already said it was $30. Now this next one by Luxie is the glitter and gold brush set. This is not $80. I'm sorry, folks. Pardon me. $85. This is not $85. Now this was in another package, another outer package. This is like a, leather, and it stunk so bad. The only way I can explain it is if nail polish remover pooped. It's like those two came together and that's what you smelled. It was so bad. The chemicals coming off of this this pleather. So anyhow, it has the Luxie name. This is an $85 set, folks, okay? You got your little button, and here comes the strong scent. It does this. This is why when I did my dry run, I put it back in the box, and I did not put it back in the other part. It was just like, like plastic and bubbles and stuff. I didn't put it back in there because I was hoping that it would air itself out so I wouldn't have to smell nail polish remover and poop, because that is exactly what it smells like. These are them. They are gold, individually wrapped. This is nothing really special to them, so there you go. $85 for this set. I'm not the one that sets the prices, so don't go. I'm just the messenger. Now the next one is by Zaxi. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I chose these. These are the Stephanie Taylor cushion cut cubic zirconia halo stud earrings. I should have been wearing them for you guys, right? I chose these. This was one of my choices. And I'm also gonna, when you guys look at, as we're going through the video, and you see a little marker that's kind of it's gonna be where the information is written down here on the bottom of the screen. It'll say my choice, because you get, I believe, was it 3 choices that we got with the Luxie? Just don't correct me yet, because I'm not sure how many choices we got to choose from when it came to the Luxie. Nevertheless, these are the cute little cubic zirconia studded earrings, and I will wear these. I don't have that issue that people have when you wear an earring and if it's not real. I mean, oh my God, and the first time I ever heard somebody say that, I'm allergic to anything fake, and I went, oh my God, so all you're telling me is that if we give you jewelry, it has to be like through the roof pricing. Diamonds, pearls, whatever. Okay, so this one comes in at, now I know that price isn't right. I accidentally read the next one. $36, you guys. These are $36, cute little studs. All right, the next one is by Symbiosis London. It's a tightening and resplendent eye mask. And it is tiny. Look at this. This is little. Now they say that it is a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate skin area. Okay. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid. What isn't? What does, I mean, seriously, what does not have hyaluronic acid in it? Polulin and shea butter. and it works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Okay, well, pretty much that's the description of just about every single eye cream I have. So what makes this one come in at $93? Oh, I don't know. They just put a price on it and call it a day. After this $93 eye cream is the Rocking Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. I chose these. These were one of my choices. Oh, threesome. They were not in the box when I chose it. I saw the picture of them and I thought, hey, you know what? Why not? The other choices that I had for me to choose this, obviously I was kind of nudged along the way because, well, just because. If you know me and you kind of are familiar with the way I do things. So I'm visual. I have to see things. So when I saw it and I saw all my choices and it says click, 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 click. Well, the other things I got them. I have them. Too many of them, and these were new. Just look at this. Okay, they're new. You see the different colors, right? They're new, so they're all wrapped up. They're not open. This one is a green. This one looks like a purple. This one here is a, excuse me, blue glitter. So this one's a blue glitter. This one here is a green glitter. So we got green. I told you there was a green. And we have a black. So there's a black glitter, blue, and a green. And they did enough to make me click on it for my choices. And they come in at $40. So again, I didn't pay $40, so the price of what these pens are, and I get that everybody kind of looks at it and does that cost benefit analysis on is the price of this product and so forth and so on. However, when you're just getting beauty box subscriptions, and that's what I do, and then do the videos to share with you guys what's inside, it's kind of exciting to see. That's kind of how I started out, is I was always watching these videos from these girls of all these things they were getting, all these pretty cool boxes and what's inside, and then I started ordering them. My point is, I didn't pay for this. I just paid for the price of the subscription. So kind of comes down to that. In a nutshell, I'm trying to say I don't care how much the product costs. I didn't pay for it. I paid for the subscription. This is the 53 bucks. All right, this next one is by Riza Be Obsessed Leave or Love Me Leavin'. And this thing is broken. It's malfunctioning. So it was in a bag, and the reason it was in a bag packaged that way is because of this. Can you see that? It will not screw on all the way. I had taken it off, tried to screw it on as straight as I possibly can. It's not going to happen. So thank God, no, it does not spill. It does not trickle out. There it is. That's as good as it gets. Riza, this is the Riza Be Obsessed Love Me Leave In. And apparently it's a hair product. That's it, you guys. That's everything for the December 2020 Boxyluxe, as everything threatens to fall out. You guys take care, but do me a favor before you take off. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so glad, even if you made it all the way here to the end. Hit that subscribe button. Look at it. It's almost like where the little snowman is. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because it will let you know when I upload my videos. So until the next time, I will see you in my next video. All right, you guys, take care, because I got a couple more boxes to do. Bye-bye.